This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Beautiful brick ranch in Lake Shores. Fresh paint and new flooring throughout, eat-in kitchen with new granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, nice floor plan with large living room, dining room, and family room. Primary bedroom with private bath, attached garage, new roof, covered patio/porch, and detached storage shed/workshop. Established neighborhood convenient to beaches, bases, and easy access to I-64. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.